Yeah, I bought this train in an antique store and it was €5. It was quite damaged. The coal car was missing its wheels and I made some new ones. But the graphics are pretty badly damaged and need to be redone. The engine is missing its plate, motor, and wheels, so I'll have to rethink that. But anyways, it needs the new graphics, which is something I'm going to work on as I go along and try to make a kit out of this.
Yeah, I've decided that I remember the carriage, I was doing the carriage and I was going to see if I could do graphics, but now I've decided that I should do the little engine, the coal car and the carriage together as a set, so that you can have a little kit that you can actually cut out, put down on tin and cut out and make your own. Now I'm trying to work out how to make stencils, which is going to be a bit like this here. So I'm working on the stencil side of that as well, and the drawings, and of course I'll have to build one first, because I'm doing all these cardboards, but I got to simplify everything for the kits. So basically I'm going to have a little engine, a little coal car and a little carriage, and I'm just doing the graphic, taking these, putting them on a scanner, but then I put these on the graphic ones separate, and I'm going to touch them all up and print them out and see what I can do for basically graphics on the train when they're finished. So I'm recreating a little antique toy train in kind of kit modern version. So whether the little engine will have a electric motor or what, or whether the batteries will be in the coal car, or how I'm going to do it yet, that part of it I'm not sure. So anyways, step by step, let's start. I'm going to flatten this train car down as well, and I'll have all the 3 sets ready to go for the graphics and the layout of the parts. If you have any ideas, you can also post them on the end of this short video. So this is what I have of the engine set, and I'm still missing the plate for the bottom and some kind of motor and wheels, so I don't have that for the engine yet. I'm going to have to make something. I have to design something. The coal car is got the wheels made and is fairly done, except I need to make a new better graphic, a more quality graphic for this side, and see if I can get it on somehow onto the tin when I'm done. Yeah, just taking this carriage apart. Let's go out a bit. There's the top plate. I'm going to leave that bubble on. I'm not going to hammer that out, or that rim. I may just put that on with a copper wire and some kind of a piece instead of hammering it, which is very hard to do because that's done with a stamp. Now I have the 2 sides, which are identical, so I only need to do one side, which is great. 2 shafts with the little things for to hold the wheel from going in too far and falling off the track. 4 wheels, and the 2 stays for the top of the roof for support. Now up here you can see I've already done a drawing, technical drawing with it. So we're getting there. And there I had made some spare wheels. Now I may make wheels out of tin yet, so we'll see. Anyways, that's where I am at the moment. Right. Here I made the cutouts, stencils, and that was for the windows out of cardboard, and this is for the roof. So it's going to be something like that, where you have it on paper without all the technical drawing stuff like this. It's on paper and you cut it out and you just fold. And these are the wheels and the way they are at the moment. I've got to design those yet. And they're the 2 supports for the carriage. So we're, getting a concept of how we're going to make this and make it simplified so that people can do this as a kit form. So that's where I'm at. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to the technical drawing board and keep on working on that. The design on computer and the graphics. And once I have that done, which must take a couple of weeks, the way it's going with all the nice little detail on these trains, I'll form a plan and see if when I build one, I'll know whether it works or whether I got to change things.
Yeah, what I'm working on is the cutouts for the templates for the cutouts for making your own tin train set. So I've got this far so far. I'm still working on it and cleaning up.